Hey everybody, it's Mindy and welcome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hi. I hope you stick around for a while. I got some good stuff to show you. This is from one of my favorite budget-friendly companies. Been working with them for a long time, and that is FGNORMAL. So I got some cool stuff to show you here from FGNORMAL. Do you want to get into it? Do you want to see what I have? I know you do. All right, we're going to start with this one on the top. We'll slide these off to the side. Oh, you got a peek. Look at that. All right, so I have noticed that lately I'm getting a lot more kits coming with pre-bag drills, which I love that. I love my baggies. I'll take pre-bag drills any day of the week. They're ready to just work out of just like this. You don't have to kit them up or do anything. It encourages me more to just pull something out and start it, even if I don't finish, because I can put them back in the bags. Anyhow, here are the drills for this one. We're going to do drills first, I guess, because I'm talking about them. But look at the pretty colors. Look at some greens and blues and browns and pinks and yellows and greens. 22 colors, apparently. There we go. That would be correct. There are 22. Love it. It's got the kit number on the back, so you'll always know what painting those belong to. There's our toolkit. We get one of those with every painting. If you are new to diamond painting, that's all you'll need right there. Really, that's all you need. A lot of us get fancy stuff, but that's all you really need. But look at this guy. I am so in a summer mood here. When I was picking out these paintings, I was like, yes, please, let's go springy, summer. Look at this little gnome guy. He is ready. He is ready. He's planting. Look, he's got some carrots coming up over here. What are these? Maybe turnips or radishes? There got to be radishes. I think he's got radish, carrot. But then he's got flowers too. I love the flowers. But isn't he cute? He's got his seed packets and everything. He's a busy little gardener. I thought it was so cute. It's on this like shiplap background, which is not one color, by the way, as you'll notice. No, it's not. U's and T's. Yeah. So anyhow, it's got 22 colors. There's a legend on both sides. It's so cute. I love it. These are always good and sticky. They're picture printed. Now you'll notice his hat has like a black outline. It's a line that they have kind of printed on here to give this a little more definition, to show his hat. They've done it a couple. It's like back stitching for cross stitch, kind of. That's what I call it, right? But love it. Cute. And there's all the drills. We've already seen those. Pretty colors. Very naturey. Yeah. Pretty though. I like it. What do you think? Let me know which ones you like in the comments below. Look at his hat. It's two colors, J and L. Two-tone yellow probably. Let's see. Come on, zoom in. I don't mean to shake you, but look at that. Nothing multi-placed there. The only place we have a bunch of the same in a group is here and a little here. Everything else is like confetti central. Confetti central. Yep. Okay. So that's the first one. Loved it. I loved it. All right. I'm going to just not show you all the toolkits because each of these came with a toolkit. But look at this one. Look at this guy. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. It's just a field of flowers. I fell in love with that one when I saw it. It's gorgeous. It's got 22 colors. Again, a legend on both sides for you. And look at those flowers, how pretty they are. Look at them. I love them. I don't know what they are. They look like some cosmos or something. I don't know what they are, but they're gorgeous. And there's a heart in the sky. Why? I don't know. Just because we love the flowers. That's why. Beautiful colors. And again, we have pre-bag drills. 22 colors. And look at the colors. Look at them. Purple, blues, orange, green, lots of purples. A lot of purple flowers. Pink, blue. There's another purple hiding under there. Look, there's some more purple in there. There he is. Purple, he's hiding in there. Green, white, blue. Gorgeous colors. I loved this one. Loved it. Is it good and sticky? It's good and sticky. Yes, it is. I love it. What do you think? Again, the outline, like around the clouds, you can see that outlining around the clouds. Gives it definition. Points it out to you. Love it. The individual like petals on the leaves has that outline so that they'll really stand out. I love it. It is so cute. So that's the second one I got. All right, this one will probably take the drills out. Oh, you know what? This one, some of you will go, Mindy, I think you already got that. And I'll be like, yes, I did. You were right. And I gave this one away in a giveaway because I realized I had ordered it twice. So I have shown this one before. This is beautiful flowers, these roses and whatnot. I still think these look very peony. I don't know what they are. I don't know what that is either. They're flowers. They're flowers. And they have 2 hummingbirds, 3 hummingbirds. It's just pretty. It's pretty. Like I said, I did give this one away, so I'm keeping this one. I get a butterfly, get some hummingbirds, some beautiful flowers. Has 20 colors. Here's our legend here. Come on, focus. There you go. Thank you. I moved it too far one direction. Still trying to get used to this arm situation I got going on here, you guys. So, let's see. Do we want to open all these up? Let's not open them all. I mean, we got, I did it once before, but blues, pinks for the flowers, greens for the grasses. That's what we have. Grays. Anyhow, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, look at this. Another one. Yep. Hear my rooster? He's out there. He's out there crowing in the snow. Yeah, it's snowing. Snow. It's not funny. It's just not funny. Look, I'm showing you all these beautiful, florally, pretty summer things, and it's snowing. Should not be snowing today. Look at that one. I love this one. This is so cute. Hello, spring. Perfect. Hello, spring. Why are you snowing, right? Exactly. I don't know. 22 colors on this one. This one has more colors than the others. Well, than that one. That one had 22. But purples and blues and pinks. What's not to love about that guy? Look at him. He is so cute. So, so cute. He's got little butterfly friends. He's got a butterfly on his hat. He's cute. Cute. I think these are hydrangea. I'm going to call them hydrangeas. What would you call those? I mean, I think they're hydrangeas. We're going to go with it. Let's just open up one bag. Okay, why not? I haven't opened up any of the drills yet. We'll open up. So we can look at the drills. We'll get an up-close, personal look at them. It'll also help me learn how to show the drills in the camera better because, you know, like I said, this whole arm situation, I don't know. It's kind of, it's got me. Green. Green, purple, purple, blues, blue, gray, peach, green. What else do we have? More purple, blue, and pink. I told you, purple, blue, and pink, right? What do we have here? Pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, pink. And then we have blue. Love it. Love it. And then we have a nice big bag of white for all of the background. What do you think? Isn't it cute? I like the size. It's little, it's small. Very tempting to just start putting some drills on that puppy, right? Yeah. You got it. Okay, I've got one more. One more. Okay. All right. Oh, I have something else I'm going to throw at the end of this. I have to go get it because it's from FGNORMAL as well. I'm going to do one video because I don't have a ton to show you this time. All right, this only has 8 different colors and shapes, but look at it. Look at it. Again, the summer vibe was strong. Strong. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, right? When skies are gray, and our skies are gray. Oh my goodness. So look at, you do not put any drills on the words right here. You do put drills on happy, skies are gray. The larger words get drills, and these are printed. So look at, they even have a music note because, you know, who doesn't just break out into song when you see those words, right? I did. And there's the treble clef. And there's some more music notes over here because you just want to sing every time you hear that saying. I do. And then a bucket of sunflowers. Yay. Cardinals and sunflowers. Perfect. Love it. Perfect, perfect. Isn't it cool? I think it's going to be gorgeous. At my grandmother's funeral, I know this is a little morbid, but at my grandma's funeral, we all decided at the end we would sing. What did we sing? We sang that song. You know? Yeah. So it has a little special meaning, you know? All right. Here's our drills. Like I said, there's only 8 colors. Only 8. So we have a red, beautiful red, an orange, a gold, a pretty green. That's a very pretty green. A brown, gray. Then we have some gold buttons, and we have some little gold marquee. They're silver on one side and gold is the top side. So pretty. All right. Okay, let me go grab my last item, which is not a diamond painting item. Let me grab that and I'll show you that. Okay, so after I had placed the order for the diamond paintings, he asked me if I'd be willing to show a new item that they carry in their store. And I looked at it and I was like, I've never done this. I have no idea how to do this. But sure, I can open it. I can show you. I can see if I can figure it out. I don't know. So he sent me this. And this actually came before the paintings did, which is funny. All right. He also added a special tool. He said, it does come with a tool, but I will send you like the nicer tool. And I was like, okay, all right. So look what we have. Wool felt. Yeah, okay. We are going to make this. It's felting. You guys, I have no idea. I've seen people do this. I've seen projects where people have done felting and they're super cute. I have no idea. Has anybody ever done felting? They make some cute, I mean, I've seen little tiny, itty bitty little things. I don't know. Anybody done it? Let me know. Let me know if you have done it before. Okay, so I have all kinds of stuff in here. This is not directions. I don't think. Maybe it is. Does it open? Well, yeah, it is, kind of. I mean, it's all in Chinese. There, that's what we do. Okay? That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Step number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. You know, YouTube videos. So, yeah, we have this. I don't know. Is it just a workstation? You work on that? You poke things in there or whatnot? I don't know. I just don't know. And these are your needles to felt with, is my guess. You poke it and you shape it and you do stuff, right? So we have that. This is the little keychain. It's going to hang on a little keychain, which is pretty cute. It's a little bell. It's a bell and a flower. It's a cute little keychain. That'll be cute, right? Okay. And then the rest of our contents are in here. I have no idea. Well, let's just open it up and make a mess. Why not? Okay, what's in this? Let's see. Let's start with this. Sure. Okay. Oh, maybe we got pictures. Okay, we got pictures. It's still in Chinese, but we have pictures. Okay, we start with the white, and you poke it. And you poke it, and you make a ball. You poke it until you make a ball that looks like a head. All right. And then in your little ball, you poke some more, and you make these little spaces for eyeballs. And we put our eyeballs in there. Then we add some other color here. Add some more around the eyes. Then we add some yellow around its head because it's wearing a hood, apparently. Yeah, see, he's wearing a hood. Okay, I can follow picture directions. I'm actually really good at following pictures. The actual poking and creating and shaping is the part I'm not certain how to do, but we can have some fun with that, right? It's super cute, isn't it? Super cute. Gosh. All right, so it comes with, I'm not going to take all of this out because this is all of the felt. And then there's glue. So we have some glue in here. We're gonna have to glue his eyes in, I know that. And his eyeballs are in this little bag here. All right, so we have his eyes, and then a pin, another chain. I don't know what those are for. I really don't know what those are for, because we have this keychain. I don't know, but here's all the felt. It's very soft. So there's some black, some gray, different colors here, the white and the yellow. So more white and yellow, because this will be his body, and then his head and part of his body, and then these are his accent pieces. Let me know if you have done this. Like I said, I will definitely need to check out a YouTube video and see how you do this. I love the eyes though. The eyes are nice. Look, he's got good eyes. He's got good eyes. So I thought I would show this to you. Fun little project. Please let me know if you have done this before. Oh, let me show you the other thing he did send. He did send another tool. So he sent this tool, the felting needle with 7 needles. So he says this one is a better tool than the ones that came with it. Because I mean, you can see this has got to be the tool they use, right? It's just those little like needle type things. And this one's much better. It has a handle and whatnot. So, and it's taped shut, of course. Hang on. Okay, come on. Open, open. Oh my gosh. Biggest piece of tape in the world, you guys. Biggest piece of tape in the world. Okay. So, let's see. Open, the 2 points join together, close, separate the points, change the needles, retreat the cover, retreat the metallic cover. I don't know. Okay, put the cloth on the brush and then put this on the cloth. Okay, all right. Oh, what a learning curve, right? Well, a learning curve. So, I don't, oh. Goodness, I don't know. What do we do here? No clue. No clue. Again, we'll have to figure this out. Unlock. How do you lock it? Unlock. I don't know. No clue. No clue. How do you keep this down? And do you get all the needles at the same time? Okay. Again, directions. I don't know. All right. Well, that's what I got, you guys. So wish me luck with that one, right? Okay. I will leave you with that. Advice? People you know who felt? Somebody to watch? Hey, let me know. Okay. I'm done. I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed. If nothing else, entertainment value. Okay. I'll be speaking to you soon. Have a great day and take care. Hopefully the snow doesn't stick around. It won't stick around. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.